Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the default font size in Gmail. If you want every new email you compose to use a larger or smaller font automatically, Gmail lets you change your default text style in just a few clicks. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail. Sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're in your inbox, click the Settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the Quick Settings panel, click See All Settings. You'll be taken to the General tab. Scroll down until you find the Default Text Style section. Here you'll see options to change the font size, and text color. To change the font size, click the Font Size drop-down menu. Then choose the size you want, such as small, normal, large, or huge. You'll see a preview of how your text will look. Once you've selected your preferred font size, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click Save Changes. Gmail will reload with your new settings. Now, click the Compose button to create a new email. You'll notice that the default font size matches the option you selected. Any new emails you write will automatically use this font size unless you change it while composing. And that's it. You successfully changed the default font size in Gmail. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Gmail tips, Google Workspace tutorials, and productivity guides. See you in the next video.